Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun layered card to show you. This is my layered Hello Spring card. Isn't that so pretty? There's that butterfly there at the top, the flowers on the bottom, and then the Hello Spring sentiment there in the center. There's of course a spot for your message, and I include an envelope as well. This card is super simple to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. Now, if you're not a member of our Crafters Club, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. You can go ahead and choose whichever membership is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go to sign in. I'll go ahead and type in my login information and click login. And now we are logged into our account. To access the file library, you can go to the Files tab and click File Library, and then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 167. That is the layered Happy Spring card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we're ready to open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. There are a few things that we need to convert as far as score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel, click on the score line for the envelope, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And then we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Now that those two score lines have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, everything has been cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and layer up our front cover panel. So we're going to start from the light blue, or actually in the file it's a light green color, but I switched it out at the last minute. This pink color, purple, and then red. I know that the purple is a little harder to see because it's a little bit of a lavender purple. Don't worry though, I have a layering guide within the download that will help you visualize how to put these together. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I put this together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, there is our Hello Spring front cover panel. Like I said, I know in this shot the purple and the pink are a little bit difficult to see, but in person you can definitely see the different variations there. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. Go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel together. Now we can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open up that card base and we can add the messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close up the card base, and now we can add the front cover panel. And there is our Hello Spring card. Very cute. I'll set that to the side and show you how to put together the envelope really quick. So for the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip that inlay over and place that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Go ahead and spin that around, bring those side flaps in, and add glue along the bottom of the side flaps. Take your thumbs and push up and press that bottom flap into place, and then that forms our envelope. And there is our pretty Hello Spring card. Wasn't this simple to put together? I love the different variations with the different colored cardstock. Layered designs are so much fun to do. I hope that you like this card, and I hope that you make it. If you do make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!